Make this antelope enter this water. Make I use and make stew for my family members.
Na so dem dey price person wey get sense for dis country. But I no send. Una no go kill person with mess for dis Lagos. Na so beans una go dey chop for morning.
No be me o, no be me o.
Wait, you want to know how I made that? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you are going to be able to create unlimited characters like this for free, and any one of them can go viral. So let's get into it. Before I show you anything on my screen, I want you to understand something that most people skip, and it is the reason why some content goes viral and most content don't go viral. Virality is not about copying trends. It's about understanding what makes people feel something. And there are really just 4 things that make content to go viral. Something shocking, something cute, something humorous, or something just surprising, like, what did I just watch? You see, when you hit one of those 4 triggers, people don't just watch, they share it, they comment, and they send to their friends even by 2 a.m. in the morning. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You see, when you combine one of these triggers with something that is culturally familiar, like the Pidgin language, like you saw in the video, you get double engagement. All right, so that's the formula, and that's what we are going to be building today. And I want to be clear about something, because this is important to me, and it's what my channel is all about. My goal is not just to show you AI tools. My goal is to give you the concept of creativity so that you can take what I'm showing you and move in your own light. Like, you are able to create something for yourself based on the knowledge you are able to get now. So let's go. Now, before I go to my screen, I want you to hear this first, because this step doesn't happen on the app. This happens in your head. Before you open ChatGPT, before you open NanoBanana, before you open any app at all, you need to know what you want to create. Who is your character? What is the environment? What is the contrast? And what is the funny or surprising thing that you are going to say? Make sure to write it down first. This is the most important part of this, engagement, because no AI tool can give you creativity. The tools only bring what you have in mind to life. So think about your character. Think about what makes them funny or surprising in that situation, and write it down on paper, right? Once you have done that, everything else is just execution from there. For example, I decided I wanted to make a crocodile in a river with an antelope nearby, just like you can see in this video.
Make this antelope enter this water. Make I use and make stew for my family members.
Talking about making stew for his family. Now, that's really funny. Now, that was my idea. I wrote it down on paper. Then I went to the tools, and that was how I was able to make the video that you saw in the beginning. So let's create some videos.
First thing we want to do is we want to start from our idea. Like I said before, we are going to have our idea already laid down. So I have 4 examples here. So we are going to be making use of the first. So let's look at the first. The first says, think about a parrot in a market saying, "Na so dem dey price person wey get sense for this country, but I no send." All right, so actually all of these things I generated it from my ChatGPT. Okay, so you can actually copy all of this. Let me see. You can actually copy all of this here and copy. I'm going to put it in the description below, so you can copy here and then tell it ChatGPT to actually give me content that look exactly like this, okay. You can say give me only 5. All right, so let's see what it actually gives to us. Okay, think about a goat standing in front of a boutique, chewing calmly, saying, "All these fine clothes, na confidence dem dey sell. If you no get am, no be cloth go help you o." Alright, so we have another one, says, think about a chicken watching 2 neighbors argue. Dem dey shout like say microphone dey give salary. Peace cheap pass pride, but dem no know. So you just have to choose something that's actually cool. Okay, see this one that says, think about a cow in traffic blocking cars, saying small patience go save una blood pressure, but no, everybody wan overtake their destiny. All right, so let's make use of the one that we have here. Think about a parrot. Or do we make use of that? I think I like the other. Think about a cat, and seeing that cats videos are actually viral on TikTok. I think let's make use of that. Think about a cat sitting on a couch staring at its owner. So let's copy that. Now, what we are going to do is that we have the idea of the cat, right? So what we are going to do right now is we are going to talk to ChatGPT. In this case, I prefer making use of a voice chat rather than just giving it a prompt. So let's make use of the voice chat. Before then, let's look at what the prompt says. It says, think about a cat sitting on a couch, staring at its owner, saying, you carry me go vet again? I go disgrace you for road, I swear. Okay, give me the image prompt, or give me an image prompt of a cat being taken to the vet by its Nigerian owner. All right, make the setting a Nigerian setting and make it an ultra realistic image. All right, so let the hospital, which is the vet, be in the scene. Let there be also Nigerian people also in the scene, but let the focus be on the cat and then the Nigerian woman who is taking the cat to the vet. All right, so give me an image prompt I can use to generate an ultra realistic image. So we wait and let's see what prompt we're able to get. All right, so now we have our image prompt. Okay, it says ultra realistic cinematic photograph of a Nigerian woman taking a cat to. Oh, there are long story. So let's just copy that. So where we are going to be posting it, we are going to be making use of NanoBanana Pro. All right, and we are going to be using that from Flow. So let's get straight to Flow. All right, so this is Flow Nano Nano banana, not nano banano. I'm almost speaking like an AI now. All right, so we want to post that here. Ultra realistic, and so. So we want to create an image. Remember, it's an image we are actually creating. So we want to make sure that it is portrait 916, and then let's generate just two images, Nano Banana Pro. All right, so let's see what it gives to us. All right, so while we wait, so we are actually loading two different images. Let's see what comes out of it. Okay. This is not exactly close to the screen, but let's see. This should be able to suffice. Okay, so what? Okay, let's download this. The former, let me see the former. Okay, this cat is looking slightly wicked. I think I think this should work too. So let's download this as well. We can see the veterinary clinic at by the side of the screen there. So let's download this. Now, once your image has been downloaded, this is where we go to the next phase. Now, the next phase is going to be, we are going to animate this. All right, so let's not forget, what did the cat actually say? Let's go back, let's go to our notes. Now, what did the cat say? You carry me go vet again. I go disgrace you for road, I swear. Okay, it would have been a lot better if they were walking toward the vet. Okay, so but now that we have generated the image, let's just go to Grok. Okay, this was the one I actually worked on. So let's imagine. So you want to come to Grok. So you want to click on the image you downloaded, and then we want to use our we want to take this. You go carry me, you carry me go vet again. I go disgrace you, I swear. Okay, I go disgrace you for road, I swear. Okay, so let's just take that, copy that. Okay, it's already generating. So you just want to paste that and write below, make the cat say these words. Okay, let's put this in. Okay, so make the cat say this word in Nigerian accent to its owner carrying it. Okay, now this is not elaborate, okay, but this should suffice. I'm just giving you an idea on how you can actually create videos, you know.
You carry me go vet again, I go disgrace you for road. I swear. You carry me go vet again, I go disgrace you for road. I swear.
Okay,
You carry me go vet again, I go disgrace you for road.
okay, we have a misconception here. So the woman is the one actually talking. So we want to make the cat talk, saying these words in Nigerian accent to the woman. The woman says nothing. Okay, I think it's important that we put that. So let's see what we're able to get.
You carry me go vet again, I go disgrace you for road. I swear. You carry me go vet again, I go disgrace you for road. I swear.
Right, I think this one's a lot better.
You carry me go vet.
Okay, this one looks a lot better, but it would have been a lot better if the cat was actually, facing the camera. That would have been a lot better. But I want to believe that you get the concept, you get the idea. So let's create another image. Okay, with this, you can actually download it. Come to the download button right there, the download icon rather, and then you can download. So let's see if we can create another. We are not going to be making use of okay, let's make use of ChatGPT again. Okay, so I want you to give me the image of a parrot, a close shot of a parrot talking in a market arena where other parrots are being sold. All right, in the environment, are people actually negotiating or trying to buy this particular parrot in mention? So give me an image prompt that. So give me an image prompt that actually depicts this very well, and let it be a photorealistic image. All right, so we have our prompt because of our time, so let's just work on that. So let's take that, we copy that, and then we go straight to our NanoBanana. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to copy and paste. Don't forget, you want to make sure that your um, aspect ratio is 9:16. Remember, we're making use of Flow, Google Flow, right? NanoBanana Pro. Our output is 2, so let's generate an image. Wow, this is beautiful. We have our image already. Now this is very realistic. You can even see the 15,000 naira talking parrot. I think I love this. Let's download this. This is so beautiful. Wow, this parrot is sold for 1,000 naira. Oh, such a cheap parrot. That must be a painful one. Okay, so let's see what the parrot actually says. Let's go to our note. We have it on our notes here. The parrot says, "Na so dem dey price person wey get sense for dis country, but I no send." Okay, na so dem dey price person wey get sense for dis country, but I no send. Okay, that sounds okay. You can also make your, you know, twitching, your tweaking, whatever it is. All right, so that actually makes sense and can actually get people, you know, get people attention and make them watch your video over and over again. So let's copy that and put it right there. So we want to copy, and where's okay, this is the image. All right, so we have, wow, this is so beautiful. Like, are you really kidding me? Okay, now we have our image. What do we want to do now? We want to get to Grok. Okay, don't forget, in Grok you want to click on imagine, and then, all right, so this is the image that we actually worked with right now. Okay, so we want to put that now, so then the price person wey get sense for this country, but I no send. This might actually be laughable for people who are actually smart or intelligent. So you want to also know your target audience and how well it resonates with them. Okay, so what do you want to do now? Make this parrot say this.
Hey there, pretty bird, say hello. Hello.
Mark, it's how much?
15,000 naira, a real
Make this
talker.
parrot say
Hey there,
these
pretty bird, say
words.
hello. Hello.
Mark, it's how much?
15,000 naira, a
So
real
the
talker.
woman
Hey there, pretty bird, say hello.
in
Hello.
Mark,
pidgin.
it's how much?
15,000 naira, a
All
real
right, you
talker.
can.
Now, so
Alright.
them they price person wey get sense for this country. But I no send. Now, so them they price person wey get sense for this country. But I no send.
All right, you know how to make use of
Now, so
CapCut.
them they price
So you
person
can
wey
go
get
to
sense for this country.
CapCut. Let's see. You can go to CapCut right there. Click on your new project. You add your video, and then you can now begin to create captions. Okay. Auto captions. Get our text. Auto caption. Make use of a bold text. Something bold. Right. And we want to click on generate right there. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. Of course, you are going to make edits to the auto captions, because of course there will be some very funny writings there, because auto captions is actually designed to actually capture English language, not pidgin. So you have to make adjustments to that.
Now, so them they price person wey get sense for this country. But I no send.
All right, so this is exactly what you are going to be getting. All right,
So all of these videos are easy to make, very easy to make. The workflow is very simple. Getting an idea is not as difficult. You know, the scenarios are unlimited. It could be in the water, it could be in the market, a monkey in the market, a crocodile in the office, a lion in the swimming pool, and all of that. Just think randomly, all right? And then what they get to say in that setting or in that scenario. So here's what I want you to take away from this video. The tools are not the point. ChatGPT, NanoBanana Pro, Grok, CapCut, those are just the instruments. The point is what you do with them. The point is the creativity you bring. So ChatGPT actually gives you image prompt. NanoBanana Pro gives you the image. Grok brings the image to life with the Nigerian Pidgin animation. Then you use CapCut to actually add your captions, and then you post it and let the algorithm do its work. All right, I'll see you in the next video.